Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, let's start our Quran. Let's understand our Quran. Uh, Today is February 27th, 2016, and we are starting with Bismillah, and this is the first episode. So, traditional translation is in the name of Allah, or in Urdu, Shu Allah ka naam lekar. But let's look deeper. If we dissect Bismillah, it is a sentence which contains three words: Ba, Ism, and Allah. Translation of Ba is for or with, and Ism, the translation is name. But what is a name? Name itself is nothing. When someone says somebody's name, uh, that person comes in our mind in a pictorial form. Now, name is just a pointer or a reference to an actual object. It points to an external reality. It is used to associate a sound with an object. So, reality is the object. Name is just an association to that reality through sound. More accurate translation of ism, if you look at the word brand, it is more closer in meaning to ism. Why? Why? Because when we talk about any brand, we instantly think about the quality of the brand, the products of the brand, what makes it different from other brands. It gives us an association. Brand beautifully encapsulate all the products, history, quality, etc., into a single word. So the complete meaning becomes of Bismillah for Allah's brand, or you can say with Allah's brand. In Urdu, it becomes Allah ke brand ke saath ya Allah ke brand ke liye. Now this becomes a question. Why? Before starting any work, we are asking ourselves, is the task at hand is for Allah's brand? If the answer is yes, then proceed. Else you may need to rethink about it, your task. So that's it for Bismillah. And now you have to decide either I should go for Rahman Rahim, that is the next part of Bismillah, or personally I would like to go for the very first ayah revealed to our Prophet, because of the ism is already in there, so we have covered that. So it will kind of logical for me to go for uh, the Iqra Bismi Rabbikal Ladzi Khalaq. So either way, you decide by commenting. If you liked it, share it, uh, comment it. Thank you very much.